Hey guys, Love2 here. Alright, doing a trade review of today and a trade plan for tonight and tomorrow. Close our market. I apologize for the background noise. Neighbors playing some music and stuff, having some function across here, so not too worried about that. Uh, using my mic here. Room is not soundproof in any way. You may hear chickens and stuff in the morning. Uh, Living in the Caribbean, that's how it is. We got chickens, couple of goats, a lot of trees in the back, fruit trees, small orchard. Alright, so let's get into this. Alright, so firstly, we'll do the review question that came up a little while ago. How you come up with the deviation levels. So, basic answer is this is a Google Excel sheet like my stuff mobile, so I wouldn't be able to make sure you have fit here another link or this stuff to the back here between B and G. It's hidden stuff, that is internal stuff. So it have a couple of ways to look at this. So using market close, we have volatility calculation inside here. It's sort of trying to calculate what is the implied deviation on a daily basis. From close to close, so you would see the previous, Friday's close, Monday's close, Thursday's close. So you use the close for each day, and you have that. So if you want a simple way to get somewhere close to what I have, so you can see my 0.5 deviation is close in 2.61 as of today, 20.61 points. So it's a way for you guys to have a simple indicator to have it's an indicator to have your volatility, which is a standard deviation, which is something similar. So you're going to have the trade weight, top steps up, or just trade weight. This is our old one, so just using this for sure. So you can see volatility, standard deviation, what it is, how it is calculated, if you know how to use programming knowledge and stuff. I know a little bit, not all that much, but right. Show value for the last 21 days, which is the Monday. Usually check by my data is built on 5 years data, so 5 years, and using 1 year as my active. A lot of complicated stuff that have logarithms and constants inside there, so sort of something like a slow moving implied average. Let's go into save. Alright, and you will see this come up here. You always use your daily. Using it, 17.3 is your active standard deviation right now. You would see if you follow FT Trader, FT71. FT has some proprietary stuff that he uses also, so his numbers are a bit different. Mine's a bit different. Everybody who in the trading business for a while has some different ways of calculating it, but this is a simple way you could use deviation within it. So we'll go back to 5-minute chat for today. Right, so let's do the review. So that's more or less how we calculate deviations and stuff internally here. Right, another thing, I had a question, so Dan might answer it tomorrow about option trading and how options pricing works and stuff like that. And I have a particular question for him on a particular stock, which is Tesla. My trade Tesla bought, had some today and got one out of my 2 shares, actual shares. But I bought shares today, not options. I use options for more long-term sides, owning a couple 300 options right now. Looking to see how I could most profitably handle my risk, manage it. So that's where the question is about. So you would see where value point of control and stuff is. Right. What I need to look at here is the profile, or the shape of the profile for today. Yeah, the share profile showing acceptance on higher price. Unique caveat to that is low volume going up, then you have acceptance to the top side here. For me now, I'm looking for repair, knowing a couple things, so that'll be part of the trade plan. So what we had today was we looked to activate 2 points to fade the market. It was traded at a major level here at 41, which was the implied level. So we sold single, both minis and micros. So we sold our mini at 40 and added on 42 using what was stated this morning live stream, using your risk to reward, actively manage and close out on London close on one mini, one micro at plus 6 points, and I closed out mini across at plus 6 points just before the close. Didn't want to transfer the risk across, so we hold in one micro still, which was the 40 cell. Have one of the micros remaining on. So this is the active trade. We're looking at 12 points. We stopped the 3 points, which was just above, looking for the bigger move to the downside. Right, so we have one micro entry and a mini entry here, which is trade what you see, which is at 39. So you're looking for test at 39 and then for 8 points 1 to 1. And we have a buy sitting here at 26, which we had since this morning. Right, so this is how we end up filling the position. So you know yourself at 39, you buy at 26, you have active at 40. Using the different risk to reward levels and how you can manage your risk, which is acceptable inside of tomorrow's trade. I might have more volume. Today was on million contracts traded on the ES. Right, so this is the move we're actually looking for the downside right there. Looking for a move to the downside, trying to catch off that 8 points or 12 points active if we do get filled on the 39 overnight. 8 points are risk on it. So you would see, let's go with ratings and stuff. Go to news, stock market news, what was important, not important. Alphabet, which is Google, had a small, reasonable size on the EPS for this quarter. So knowing what my weighting and stuff is, yep, looking to be a bear overnight. So it may affect the NQ if you trade the NQ. Always trade. So that's part of earnings. You know, looking for in earnings. Right, so that's actually why I've been a bear overnight. See if we get some transfer down. Yeah, to kick to the upside. Most likely I might get a test back here and then push to the downside. In my opinion, that's just part of my trading plan. What I have on for the overnights and stuff. So let's relabel what is active. Well, not active. So for contract sell at 39. Now we know what we have active, so market opens off. Right, so more or less we here back to the downside. So that is straight line. Let's go through. I have to do the same one. Tesla, if you was watching the video this morning, I see I wanted to buy some. Bought a couple at 23 this morning. Got filled, got out of one right at 50, which is structure. So got in at 23, got out a single at 50 at a 20 point rolling. So we made $7 on this trade on this trade so far. $7 I'll be paying it as dollars and points. Alright, so looking for a 3-1 on this trade as of now. So most I could do is break even on the trade. That's look for the upside. If we do get the downside move tomorrow, I do expect it to move a lot tomorrow. See the open man and push to the upside. So watching the volume. The volume was pretty reasonable today. So trying to make sure that we have we know where the upside test is, where the potential leave out goes off at 40, and then we extend it so you could go to 2.5 and use 40. Just basing it on where we're looking to be, where we're not looking to be in the market. Oil is a pain in the ass, you know. Don't even want to even go into that. Suffering oil account suffering these days. Just gotta get a handle on it, so we might ease off on it. So on the size where we have trade plan, so you have your deviation to the upside at 57s, deviation to the downside at 16s. We have buy set up here, sell set up here, sell at 39, buy at 26, which is value high from Friday. Probably almost non-existent value for today. Watching the profile and seeing how the profile is. It is 1 minute till the market opens. So that is about what we have for trading for overnight, and till tomorrow morning we might make some adjustments and stuff. So trade small, trade smart, fellas. Don't overtrade. Look to trade what you see in the market, not what you want the market to do. Don't force trades, just use the little brain a little bit. Okay guys, bye.